Welcome to Sunday Travel's Love Your Adventure, where we inspire you to embark on unforgettable journeys. Today, we are setting sail for Alaska, exploring an incredible multi-generational option that awaits you on this breathtaking adventure. If you're ready to create lasting memories with your loved ones, stay tuned because this Alaskan cruise experience is bound to be a family favorite. Hey, adventure-loving families! Welcome back to Love Your Adventure in our Alaska series. I'm Jennifer Olson, and today we are diving into the wonders of Alaskan Cruises, specifically tailored for multi-generational travelers. From grandparents to grandchildren, this is an experience that will bring your whole family closer together. Picture this. Bonding with your family amidst awe-inspiring landscapes of Alaska. There are so many different reasons why Alaska is the perfect backdrop for any multi-generational traveler. With its diverse activities and the sites that cater to all age groups, this is one that will be making lasting memories for sure. Alaskan Cruises come in all shapes and sizes, offering something for every member of your family. There are many different cruise options, from family-friendly ships with water parks to luxury liners that cater to grandparents seeking relaxation and everything in between. One of the highlights of any Alaskan cruise is the incredible shore excursions, exploring the thrilling activities and excursions that are perfect for families, ensuring that every generation can immerse themselves in the Alaskan experience. Your journey doesn't end when you're back on the ship. You're going to have fantastic onboard entertainment options and dining experiences designed to delight taste buds of all ages. From gourmet cuisine to dedicated kids clubs, these ships have got you covered. An Alaskan cruise isn't just a vacation, it's a memory-making adventure that brings generations together. You can cherish the moments and let the Alaska's beauty and wonder strengthen your family bonds. Thank you for joining us on this Alaskan journey today. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our channel. If you have any questions or if you want to share your own multi-generational travel stories, feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and respond back. Until next time, keep loving your adventure with Sunday Travel because your family's next unforgettable voyage is waiting. Thanks again.